Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday, November 6th, 2025, and this is your daily Nasdaq Futures Recap. Market news. It was a relatively quiet day on the macro front. At 11 a.m., Fed Vice Chair Barr spoke, followed by the 4 and 8-week bill auctions at 11:30 a.m. Later in the afternoon, at 3:30 p.m., Fed Governor Waller gave remarks, and at 4:30 p.m., the Federal Reserve balance sheet report was released. After the closing bell, Airbnb reported earnings. Overall, there was no major market-moving data, and traders mostly focused on earnings and positioning. Ahead of Friday's session. Overnight session. As the Asian markets opened, Nasdaq Futures rebounded from an early dip. Our algorithmic system quickly adapted, first closing a short position, and then entering long as momentum picked up. That long was later flipped to short, and then back to long again around midnight, capturing the choppy price action throughout the night. Morning session. Around 9 a.m., the market began to fade, prompting our robot to close the long position and switch to short. When the U.S. stock market opened at 9:30 a.m., the short position was already showing over $235 in unrealized gains. Just 5 minutes later, at 9:35 a.m., the position was reversed to long, as the market attempted a rebound. However, by 10 a.m., weakness spread across the tech sector. Microsoft, Nvidia, and AMD were all sliding lower, while Apple managed to hold steady. Our long position was stopped out at a loss, and the system entered short again to follow the trend. After several tactical reversals, the algorithm stayed active, switching between short and long trades, as the Nasdaq continued to grind lower. Afternoon session. In the afternoon, selling pressure persisted, and the market lost momentum. Tech stocks continued to drift lower, and our robot executed a few quick scalping trades to lock in intraday profits. By the closing bell, the system wrapped up the day with a total realized profit of $343. After hours, there was no major news following the close. Airbnb's earnings came in better than expected, sending the stock up over $5. But the overall impact on Nasdaq futures remained limited. Summary. It was a down day for the market. Nasdaq futures dropped more than 300 points. Amid broad tech weakness, our robot traded actively, executing over 10 trades throughout the session, and closed the day with a realized profit of $343. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Futures Recap.